Should I use live action or animation? This is a question I often get when producing video. When should you use what? Well, let me tell you in this video. Welcome to Video State. On this channel I'll tell you all about how to create binge-worthy video content. So like, subscribe or leave a comment if you want some more. Okay, back to the question. Live action versus animation. First of all, when you're creating a video, you have something in mind that you want to share, like a story or a valuable lesson. Or a valuable lesson inside a story. The next step is to get your script. And last week I posted a video on how to use ChatGPT in order to generate scripts for your videos. So go ahead and watch that if you're in need of scripts fast. Now tell me, what happens in your script? Is it about real people in the real world? Or is it about some platform with crazy features? Live action is typically used when you're creating a story in a real world setting, capturing the realism of actual humans. And animation is typically used when you're creating worlds with characters that are impossible to recreate with live action. Ultimately, the decision on whether to use live action or animation should be based on the story and the visual style of your video. Now let me break down these two categories for you so you know what's possible here. Examples of live action video content. Vlogs cover a wide variety of topics, such as tutorials and reviews, and they're often posted on platforms such as YouTube. How-to videos are instructional in nature and they cover a wide range of topics such as knotting ties and video editing. Video interviews are live or pre-recorded conversations between two or more people on a specific subject and provide the viewer often with a background story. Commercials are short videos to promote a product, service or brand, and they are designed to grab the viewer's attention and persuade them to take some form of action. Short films are motion pictures generally under 30 minutes in length, and they are a medium for storytelling and cover genres like drama, comedy and horror. Live streaming is the process of broadcasting live video content in real time. It allows people to watch events as they happen, and it can be done through many platforms such as YouTube, Facebook Live, and they include events, video games and DJ sets. Examples of animated content. 2D animation is a traditional form of animation that is used by creating hand-drawn characters and backgrounds. 3D animation is a type of animation that involves animating 3D models through techniques such as sculpting and rigging. Stop-motion animation is a type of animation that creates the illusion of movement by taking a series of photographs of certain objects and playing them in rapid succession. And motion graphics are the animation of text, images and other graphic elements, and they can be used for purposes such as explaining a concept, creating title sequences or infographics. In digital 2D animation, the animation is created on a computer rather than on paper, and this allows for more flexibility in the process, making changes and revisions more easily. Digital 3D animation can be highly realistic or stylized, depending on the desired look, and it is composited and rendered with special software such as Autodesk Maya and Blender. So there it is, live action versus animation. What is your favorite style and why? Let me know in the comments. I'll be back.